Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Walk Don't Run by The Ventures. I'm tuned to G, G the low string, D in the middle, G on the high string. So the song starts up on the 14th fret with full chords, 3-string chords. It goes 14, 12, 10, and 9. 3 strokes on each except for the last one. I'll play that slower. Alright, and then the first phrase starts. It actually starts on the middle string. It's got a quick 2 and then 2 on the high string. You can leave out that first one if you want, because that's kind of like an and, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So you can drop that if you want. I'll put it in. So the tab should be down there so that you can see what's going on there. I'll do that again. Okay, and then it plays that again with a variation. Now we go 0, 2, 0. And then we go to 2, 1, 2. It's one of the few places where it steps outside the natural minor scale. And that was a hammer on there, right? So I'll do that part again. It starts with the same thing. Then 5 on the low string. Open, a hammer onto 2. Back to the 5. Back to the open. Then we speed it up. Right? You could probably survive if you left out that 2, if you're new to playing that many notes. You could probably just do that. That'd be all right. Okay, then we start again with the same run. So, before we start again with the same run, we've got to add an E chord in there. I think that's 7 times. I'll play that again for you. Then we start up again and do what we did before. So I don't need to play that again slow, hopefully. Then we do this again. And that's kind of like first half of the song. So now we go to the second half of the first half of the song. And that starts on the G string, the low G string, and it does a run on the G string and the D string. 0, 2, 4, 5, 0, and then on the middle string, 0, 2, 3, 5, 5. Fairly quickly, but I won't do it quick. And that's a C chord right there on the 5th fret, and we do a little quick strum. And then we go to the 2nd fret on the high string and the middle string. And then we do a strum there. Basically an A chord representing A minor. Then we go up to the 10th fret. So we just play it right across, backwards. High string, middle string, low string, twice. Right? That's an F chord. And then we do an E chord, but we do it kind of strange because it sounds like it goes up even though this is F. So this would be E, but on the record they do a different inversion. So back to the F. And that was supposed to be 13, 9, 9, like that. And then I usually go up to 14 and get the A up there. And then I do the rundown, which is 9, 7, 5, 4, and I do it in octaves. It isn't in octaves on the record, but it's easy to do, so I think it kind of sounds cool. A little sort of disco-y, I guess. Right? So I'll play the whole ending for you. So that was C and G. And then you go back, there's a little drum break. And then you go back and do the whole thing again. And when you get to the ending the second time, you do up to F, which is on the 10th fret. And if you want to just give it a little, flash at the end or something, you can just slide right up to up here, which, just makes it sound finished. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.